Welcome to Santorini, day 68 to 69. We took a 3 hour ferry ride by Blue Star Ferries from Naxos. Just prior to the arrival at the Santorini port, we could see some of the famous villages at the edge of the hills. At glance, one might confuse them with the snow on the mountaintop. Did you know that the official name of Santorini is Thera? If you knew, then good for you. I didn't, until we visited Santorini ourselves. Santorini is the largest of the Cyclad group of the islands and our third island after Paros and Naxos. Also, the fourth and the final stop are in Greece, including Athens. Santorini is a volcanic island. The origin of the name Santorini came from the name Saint Irene. Who is it? Santorini is famous for its stunning view, which was featured in countless Instagram photos. Damn, those undersaturated, beautiful sunset photos, I hated them. Anyway, moving on. Santorini is also known for one of the most beautiful sunsets in the world, although it is a very objective opinion. Personally speaking, way too hyped by travel agencies and travel magazines. Santorini has a very good production of local wines, and beaches of Santorini have various colors such as red, white and black sands because of the volcanic activities. Everywhere, Santorini is called one of the most romantic islands in the world. Therefore, a great location for wedding, pre-wedding, photo shoots, and engagement by rich people. And with Santorini, we have ended our Greek visits. Overall, traveling in Greece was a formidable experience. History, food, landscape, people of Greece were just exceptional. We will never forget that. Who knows? Maybe one day we'll come back again in very far future. Now let's take a look at some beautiful photos of Santorini in black and white. I see you in Barcelona.